Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yasir Shah and you're watching my channel Shaji Fabricators. In this video, I will show you how to make metal art products for 2025. Now head to the video. Subscribe. A horse is made from nuts and a toy car go-car is made from bearings and armature, and a truck is made from tin plated can, and a tanker is made from wire. So please subscribe my channel if you are new in this video. A dog is made from hammer and wrought iron works. A kingfisher is also made from metal art. Scrap. I have collected many scrap and made new things. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. God bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz.